Hi there, welcome to One Two Step. In today's video, I am going to show you how to open up US Bank. To learn, watch the video till the end. US Bank or US Bancorp is an American bank holding company. It is the parent company of US Bank National Association and is the fifth largest bank institute in the United States, with branches in 26 states. It is a full-service bank that offers checking accounts, saving account, money market account, CDs, loan, and other financing services. To open up US Bank, go to any web browser. In this video, I'm going to click Google. And after going to Google, type in www.usbank.com. After typing that, it will directly take you to the US Bank official page. Now, you can click on login and log into the account. So that was the process of opening up US Bank. If this video was useful, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification if you wish to get our notification. For now, thank you for watching the video.